Northeastern Eagle County in north-central Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., 2 severe thunderstorms were located near Belvidere and over the Rockford Airport, moving east-southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sycamore, Marengo, Genoa, DeKalb, Lake, Indiana the Hills, Hunley, Hampshire, Cortland, Kirkland, Maple Park, Kingston, Lily Lake, Virgil, Pingree Grove, Davis Junction, Burlington, and Union. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 110 and 114. Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 48. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no